would you say your favorite thing about roofing is, Oz? Other than working with me, of course. Story time with Oz. What do you think, Oz? Make sure you nail that first cap shingle too. And cock up all the nails like you like. Who would you say the better Remnant 2 player is, you or Beauty Alert? Oz,
What do you want?
what do you think?
I don't know. Doesn't fucking matter.
Well, I saw you 3v1ing last night, and I didn't see Ian or Beauty Alert doing that. Does that mean you're the best? You didn't want to comment, but if you were asked, probably the best, huh? Till I get out a tutorial. Then you're fucked.
You can't even get out the tutorial.
Dude, you can't even go through the fucking story without fucking up the boss and losing out on one of the best fucking melee weapons in the game. Terrible. I hope you're a better Remnant player than you are a roofer.